Today I am reviewing the Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're someone who values creativity, productivity, and style, the Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 might just be the perfect smartphone for you. This latest edition from Motorola continues the legacy of the Moto G series, offering a premium experience at a surprisingly affordable price. And this year's model, dressed in a beautiful caramel latte finish, is not only sleek and modern, but also feels remarkably comfortable in the hand, thanks to its soft vegan leather texture. It's elegant, practical, and distinct, definitely a device that stands out in a world of glossy glass slabs. Now, let's start with what makes this phone truly unique, the built-in stylus. Motorola has refined this feature to perfection. The new stylus feels more responsive, more natural, and offers a precision that's rare in its price category. You can jot down notes, edit photos, sketch out creative ideas, or even navigate your phone effortlessly. The updated software makes it even better. When you pop out the stylus, you can immediately access shortcuts for quick note-taking, drawing, or screenshot markup. For students, artists, or anyone who loves to organize thoughts visually, the Moto G Stylus 5G is an incredible companion. Moving on to the display. This phone features a 6.7-inch POLED display with full HD+ resolution and Dolby Atmos audio support. And let me tell you, the visual experience is absolutely gorgeous. You get vibrant colors, deep blacks, and over 1 billion shades of color, giving you cinema-level quality right in your hands. Watching movies or streaming your favorite shows feels immersive and rich, especially with the Dolby Atmos sound that brings multidimensional audio to life. Whether you're gaming, watching Netflix, or editing a video, the combination of this POLED screen and premium audio makes entertainment feel top tier. But it's not just about visuals. The Moto G Stylus 5G also packs some serious power under the hood. It comes with 8GB of RAM and a generous 256GB of internal storage. That's plenty of room for your photos, songs, videos, and apps. Plus, Motorola's RAM Boost technology cleverly uses part of your storage as virtual memory to enhance performance, giving you smoother multitasking and faster app switching. Everyday tasks feel fluid, and even heavy workloads or creative apps perform without stutter. Now let's talk about one of the biggest highlights, the camera system. The 2024 Moto G Stylus 5G features a 50-megapixel ultra-pixel main camera with optical image stabilization, or OIS. This means your photos are sharp, vibrant, and stable, even in challenging lighting conditions. Thanks to the ultra-pixel technology, it captures more light per pixel, so nighttime and low-light photography look brighter and more detailed. The OIS helps eliminate blur and shake, resulting in crisp images and smooth video footage. Whether you're snapping quick social media shots or capturing memories during a night out, the Moto G Stylus 5G delivers reliable, professional quality results. Selfie lovers will appreciate the front-facing camera too. It's fast, flattering, and perfect for video calls or content creation. The camera app itself is intuitive, giving you multiple creative shooting modes including Portrait, Pro Mode, and Dual Capture, so you can record with both front and rear cameras at once. Great for vloggers and storytellers. Battery life is another strong point. The Moto G Stylus 5G offers over a full day of battery life. In fact, many users can expect up to 30 hours of use on a single charge, depending on usage. And when it's time to recharge, Motorola's 30-watt turbo power charging ensures you're back up and running in no time. Just a few minutes plugged and gives you hours of power. It's the kind of real-world convenience that makes a big difference when you're traveling, working, or simply out and about. Performance-wise, the Moto G Stylus 5G handles daily life with ease. Apps open quickly, gaming performance is solid, and network connectivity feels strong, thanks to its 5G capability. It's designed specifically for the US market and comes factory unlocked, giving you flexibility to use it with your preferred carrier. And Motorola's near-stock Android interface keeps things clean, fast, and bloatware-free, something that many users will truly appreciate. Beyond the specs, though, this phone shines because of its personality. The Caramel Latte color isn't just a name, it's a statement. It gives off a refined, yet warm aesthetic, making the device look luxurious without being over the top. Combined with a vegan leather finish, it feels premium, offers excellent grip, and resists fingerprints far better than glossy designs. If you're wondering who this phone is for, the answer is pretty much anyone who wants a creative, reliable, and stylish Android experience without paying flagship prices. Whether you're an artist using the stylus for sketches, a student taking quick notes, or a content creator editing photos and videos, the Moto G Stylus 5G gives you the tools to do it all. In summary, the Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 is a smart balance of functionality, creativity, and design. You get an improved, stylish experience, a gorgeous 6.7-inch POLD display with Dolby Atmos, a 50-megapixel OIS camera, excellent battery life with fast charging, and massive 256GB of storage, all wrapped in a beautiful, premium body. It's one of those phones that feels thoughtfully designed, practical, dependable, and fun to use. If you're in the market for a mid-range smartphone that delivers flagship-like versatility, the Moto G Stylus 5G should be at the top of your list. It's more than just a phone. It's your notebook, your sketch pad, your camera, and your entertainment hub, all in one beautifully designed device.